Alright, the purpose of this video is to tell you how to self-score your Deja Vu spiral for the end of quarter one. There's different ways to get to the spiral. I'm going to go to it from, if I refresh this page, this link here says Deja Vu spiral link. That's going to take me there. You're going to go through and you're going to grade 14 of the Deja Vu terms. The red ones are the 10 government terms. Those should already be in your spiral. And then there are 4 history ones that I'm going to ask you to grade. Those 4 are the ones that we've done, which is E Pluribus Unum, Civil War, and the 2 MDs, Manifest Destiny and Monroe Doctrine. It gives you 14 that you need to grade. So you're going to go through those. You can start if you want on page 2 of your spiral, and I can tell you what I'm looking for and how I want you to score it. Let me just scroll this down with the mouse. That's going to be easier. You can get a score up to 9 for each of the 14 terms. So, do you have the clues, the quote, and the image? If you have those 3 things, they're worth 3 points. Do you have introductory notes that show me that you watched the video? That's worth 3 points, introductory notes. And do you have the answers for the questions that are there? Those are 3. So the 3 things you can get points for are the CQI, clues, quotes, image. You can get 3 points for the introductory notes, and you can get 3 points for the intro questions. I'm just going to put IQ for that one. So that would be a total of 9. So at the top of your Bill of Rights sheet, somewhere up by Bill of Rights, if you got Bill of Rights in the upper right-hand corner of your spiral, this is the facing page where the clues and quotes and all that stuff is. Just put the score. If it's 9, put 9. If it's 6, put 6 if you don't have the introductory notes. So you're going to go through and you're going to grade the 10 government terms and then the 3 we've done, E Pluribus Unum, Civil War, Manifest Destiny, Monroe Doctrine. When that is done, you're also going to have to go and grade the stuff at the bottom. And the stuff at the bottom, I'm going to go to the spiral this way, is going to be the sheets that we did down here. I'm going to go ahead and make these out of 9 also. The back of your spiral, the back, there's nothing on there, so this one only had a single sheet. And so if you have everything, you filled in all 8 of those boxes, 8, 24, 9, 1, and so on, or if you're absent, you put absent. Remember, you can borrow somebody's spiral, but you got the 8 work boxes filled in like they're supposed to be, put 9. If you have less than 2 boxes with problems, so either 1 or 2, well 2 or less, the rest of it's done. You've got 6 boxes complete, you can put a 6, and if you've got more than 2 incomplete, just put a 3 if you've at least got some. So you're going to go through and grade that. Then you're going to look at the next pair of pages. Again, you can put a 9 if you've got everything like it should be, a 6 if you've got at least 6 of the boxes completed, and a 3 if you've got less than 6 completed. And then you'd go through and do the same thing, 9, 6, 3. And then you're going to find that this sheet down here is done also. So we've got 1 complete, 2 complete, 3 complete, and today when you write your to-do list on the 17th, again, you're going to do 9, 6, or 3. And so what you should end up with is 14 Deja Vu terms and 4 workbook pages. And so count up, if you want, how many 9s you got. Let's put this inside the front cover. So if you go to the front cover of your Deja Vu spiral, so right in here, you've got a possibility of 4 of these at 14, 18 9s. So write down how many 9s you have, how many 6s you have, how many 3s you have, and how many 0s you have, because you don't have anything on that page. And so I can look there and calculate the final score, but that's what you're going to do, is to figure out your Deja Vu spiral. If you come back to me, or you turn in your spiral without this done, I will just give it back to you without a score. You need to go in and score it, and then I'm going to flip through and see. If you put a 9 on a page, I'm going to look to see if it's really a 9. And so if you don't, then your score is going to get lowered until you go back and fix stuff up. If it looks like quite a few of them are off, you'll probably just get a 3 because you didn't really grade it accurately. So take your time, 9 6s and 3s each page, put the numbers at the front, and leave it with me in class today. Or if you still want to do some more work on it, give it to me later. Make sure you show it to me this week so I can put the scores in the grade book. That is how you'll get the Deja Vu Spiral graded for quarter number 1.